Melea, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm doing another video about FabFitFun. Let me tell you why. I get sent a ton of subscription boxes, I have tried a bunch, and you guys never see any of those videos or any of those Instagram posts. Why? Because I don't feel like they're worth the money and they're a waste of money for you to buy. Even the awesome, amazing priced ones like Target and Walmart, which are great for small size samples if you guys want to do any sort of subscription with them. But in my opinion, and this is why I keep doing videos about them, the FabFitFun subscription box is worth every single penny. The value of high-end products and amount of products you get for $40 is insane. Usually just one of the products in the box is worth $40 and the rest of it is all just high-end, amazing free stuff. And so today I'm gonna show you guys why I love this FabFitFun box. And if you guys haven't started and you aren't getting one yet, you should, because you get a cool box full of goodies just like this one every quarter. So let me show you guys what's inside this box, why it's worth the money, and just my thoughts on it, and also give you guys an exclusive coupon code. So let's get started. Alright, before we get started, just want to let you guys know this video is sponsored by FabFitFun, which I'm so excited about because that means we also get an exclusive coupon code, so you guys can get $10 off your very first FabFitFun box. The outside of the box may get trashed by the postman, but the inside is amazing, so let me show you guys what's inside. I've already taken a quick look because I wanted to see if the box was worth sharing with you guys, and it totally is. So let me show you guys what's in this box. Just so you guys know, if you've never used FabFitFun, if you've never signed up before, typically they will give you guys a box every quarter. So as long as you keep your subscription going, you'll pay 50 bucks a quarter to get a brand new box full of goodies, just like this one that I showed you guys. Your very first box, you can get $10 off with the code Melea. So use that code and you'll get your first box for $40. And then in summer, you'll get another box, fall, another box, winter. You guys get the drift, right? Okay, this box is a little bit different because right now, all of the spring boxes are sold out. They sold out so fast, and I have to say, it is one of the best boxes I've ever received. So right now, if you sign up, you'll get the editor's box right away, which is this one. And then you'll get your summer box, fall box, whatever. It's kind of like a filler box that you guys get when other boxes or the seasonal boxes get sold out. So this one's really good, and I'm glad I actually have it in hand so I can show you guys exactly what's inside. The first thing to know is you're gonna get one of these cards inside of your boxes, and it will tell you everything that's in the box, what it's worth, how much it would cost retail if you just purchase the item individually. So this box, if you guys started today and use my $10 off code, you get it for 40 bucks. You would pay 40 bucks, and the entire box is worth anywhere from $276 to $295. Oh my gosh, and I have checked before. In my past FabFitFun videos, I've actually gone through and I found all the prices online, added them all up, and these prices are correct. So we're getting a crazy deal. The first thing I wanna show you guys in the box is we have this Tarte eyeshadow palette. Guys, Tarte alone is usually 30 to 40 bucks. That's like the cost of my box right there. High-end makeup. And then everything else in my box I'm gonna show you guys, I basically am getting as like a bonus free gift. So cool. Okay, let's look in this and see what the colors are because I haven't looked yet. Here is my eyeshadow palette. So pretty, all browns, bronzies, super cute. And like I said, these typically, like we went to Ulta or Sephora, are gonna be 30 to 40 bucks. So that is so cool that we got this in the box and that you guys can get this in the box too. Next thing is a hair wrap towel. I actually really want to try these. Supposedly it's supposed to cut down your drying time by a ton because it's so absorbent that it actually soaks up all the water in your hair, and then you don't have to use the dryer as much. So it's better for your hair because you're not using as much dry time or heat on your hair, and it should be way faster. So I'm excited to use that. This is normally 18 bucks and it's included in my box. Okay, this is a reversible clutch, which I love because then you can use it two different ways depending on what color or style you get. And it also has like a carrying case on the outside, which I like, so that way when you do like store them in your closet, they won't get dirty or ruined. This is from Rachel Pally, and let's see what it looks like. So this is one way for your clutch. See how it gets like really big, and then you can fold it in half this way, or you can fold it in half this way. Cute, right? And think how much makeup you could put in there. And this is normally 60 bucks. So again, included in the box that you paid 40 for. Seriously, the best amount of products for the $40 price. It's seriously the best one I found, you guys. Okay, this is an eye mask from Free People. You guys know Free People isn't a cheap store to begin with. This mask is normally worth 40 bucks and there is a cooling pad inside, so you can use it for tired eyes, you can use it for traveling. If you guys do go traveling, if you've ever been on an overnight flight, you need a mask. Or the flight attendants are always turning on and off the lights in the cabin and you can't sleep. Anyway, so you need an eye mask. This is kind of cool and it's included, and I'm excited to see because it's like super plush. So I'm excited to see how comfortable it is. This is a deep conditioning mask for your hair. It's normally 30 bucks for this small tube, so it's probably pretty dang good. I haven't heard of this brand, Briogeo, but I'll definitely give it a try, especially since it's included in the box. There's also a bath bomb box that has 4 different bath bombs inside. It's normally 16 bucks included. Who doesn't love a little bath bomb? All right, this exfoliating treatment for your skin from Kate Somerville is $75 normally. Oh my gosh. So I'm assuming it's pretty legit. I'll have to give that a try and let you guys know what I think about it. Maybe on my Instagram stories later. But that is another cool product that goes in the box, like I said, for only 40 bucks. Do you guys see like the pattern that's going on here and why I really love this box and why I get it every single quarter? Okay, the last thing is a ceramic mug and I have no idea what it looks like. So let's hurry and open up for you guys. Okay, it's cute. It says, I'd rather be in bed. Cute, cute, cute. All these products in this editor box, if you guys sign up today, would be $40 with my code Melea, so don't forget to use that. You guys can go to themeleashow.com/FabFitFun in order to grab it. If you guys want a direct link, you guys can look below in my YouTube description. And if you're on your phone and don't know how to get there, just click the triangle on this side of your screen. It'll pop open the description for you, give you more information about everything I talked about, give you the link, the coupon code, and everything else. Now, after seeing this box and the spring box, because like I told you guys earlier, the spring box was pretty amazing, I am so excited to see what they put in the summer box because typically they'll put things in for summertime. So there's like a lot of really cool things from health, beauty, fitness, everything inside these boxes. And like I said, out of all the boxes I've been sent, I've tried, FabFitFun's the only one I keep recommending to you guys because the value of products you get for only $40 for your first month and $50 every other quarter is just, I mean, it's just kind of a no-brainer, right? So if you guys want to treat yourself, if you want to get something amazing or awesome to give yourself every quarter, get you excited, give you some new products, try some new products that normally you probably wouldn't spend the money on. Like if I'm being honest, I probably would never spend $75 on this without trying it first, right? So this is a great opportunity to try products you normally wouldn't pay for. All right, that's my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you guys later. And if you are brand new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. I have some really fun videos coming up for you guys. And I know a lot of you guys don't follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to do that because I'm always sharing exclusive deals that I found over there. So follow me on Instagram too. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.